lost the old channel, but we're back at it again. Subscribe if you're yeah. Um, yeah. How to sound like Che, Paradise. It's gonna be a Tupac preset, whatever, Tupac video. Tupac. This is version 1. I covered Tell Me Some or Tell You Some. Yeah, Tell You Some by Che. Recent drop, fire music video. Anyways, so it sounds like without the beat. Hold on, give me a moment.
Oh, what did you do to me? What did you do to me? I'm trying to get through to you. He's trying to get through to me. Yeah. Let me tell you something, I ain't trip by night. Let me really tell you something, I ain't trip by night. No, let me really tell you something, we play with the guns. We push up for some, we play with them guns.
That's it without the beat. I will not be showing this raw. If you want to hear the raw vocals, go check it out. Check out the pack, the preset pack. It contains this main, the ad libs, and the template right here. Everything's gonna be on there. There's gonna be a free version of this presets. There's also gonna be a link below, so check that one out if you can't get the, if you don't want to buy it. If the main, anyways, let me just play show. You guys don't really care. Fucking click, bro.
What did I do to me?
Hold on, wrong thing. I clicked on Che's vocals. Oh yeah, this is how the preset sounds like. Hella reverb.
What did you do to me? What did you do to me? I'm trying to get through to you. He's trying to get through to me. Yeah. Let me tell you something, I ain't trip by night. Let me really tell you something, I ain't trip by night. No, let me really tell you something, we play with the guns. We push up for some, we play with them guns.
Anyway, see you guys in the next one.